our flight to Africa, we'll be heroes. Look, there's Africa. We'll disguise ourselves.
Well, I'm so glad to see you again. Wonder how far we is from land. About 20 knots. How come they got knots in the ocean? Traffic and waves gets heavy. When it gets tangled, it makes knots. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't want to go to Africa. Wait a minute. Is we in Africa? No, we ain't in Africa. Does it look like we is gonna get to Africa? It sure don't. Then what has you got to kick about? Stop that tickling me. You stop tickling me. This ain't no time for us to be laughing. Little fishes in the brook. Look here, man. These are sharks. Will they eat you? If they don't, they'll sure mess you up plenty. We's running, ain't we? But we ain't getting no place. Something fishy about this. We've been saved by a submarine. No, this is a whale. Where is he going? Well, Kim, I don't speak whaling. He's going too fast. How is we going to stop him? Get on his nose and smother him. We're in the same place together. What was that? How do I know? Well, I don't know. 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 Well Jerry, stop that whistling. I ain't whistling. Jerry, turn loose my leg. I ain't holding your leg. Jerry, you ain't holding me? No. Jerry, please say yes, you is holding me.
Good Lord, I'm ready, indeed I'm ready. Oh, good Lord, I'll be ready when the great day comes of glory, hallelujah. Ready, indeed I'm ready. Oh, good Lord, I'll be ready when the great day comes.